Hello class, this is Alex here. Together we'll be doing a couple different reviews for subjects that we covered in our first unit and on our first test. This video will be all about different questions, including CSR questions, think and search questions, and author and you questions. So to start off, I'll share my screen and show you guys a couple different things. Okay, so when using CSR questions, one of the first places I go is assignment 1.4, what is chemistry second read? There's a PowerPoint there, and in that PowerPoint, it gives you directions for our different questions for the CSR. Right there questions are questions where the answer is right there in front of you in the paragraph, 1 or 2 word answer. What color is George Washington's white horse? White, 1 word answer. Think and search questions are questions that connect 2 things in a video or a reading together. Usually they start with why or how. So if you are comparing things, that's an easy way to get a think and search question done. An author and you question is a connection you make to the reading or a question that you have for the author. So now that we've reviewed that, I have a couple of different things we can share. We're going to focus on think and search and author and you. Those are the things that are more important for our purposes. So let's use a couple different examples. If I think about bacteria and viruses, I can make a think and search question by comparing them. What makes a virus and bacteria different? That's a think and search question. I took 2 things. I'm asking you to compare them. You would have to look it up or research it and find differences. That extra level of thinking makes it think and search and not a right there question. We can also make an author and you question by connecting it to my life. You could say, for example, am I, Alex Rebello, more likely to get a bacterial infection or a virus infection this winter? So that's an author and you question because I connected it to myself. Or I could say, are Americans more likely to have virus infections or bacterial infections? Now, this doesn't just go for science. It can be for basically anything. For example, if we're having a rapper debate between Cardi B and Nicki Minaj. I know I'm pandering. Sorry about that, but it's also, an example you guys would be probably hear about. So a think and search question would be, which of these 2 artists has made more money and why? It asks you to compare the 2 artists and it asks you to try to figure out why one has made more money than the other. Is it Nicki because she's been an artist for longer? Is it Cardi because she's newer and more exciting? I don't know the answer, but it's a think and search question. And something I want to point out is that it'd be a right there question if you just said which one made more money, right? Because it's a 1 word answer, this person. But when I ask you why and make you figure out why they're different, that's important. An author and you question about this would be, which of these 2 artists do you like the most and why? Because now I'm asking you to weigh in on it. So a quick way to talk about this, which of these artists, a quick way to talk about this, author and you questions ask for your opinion or an audience's opinion or the author's opinion. Where I think and search question, it usually asks you to compare the differences between 2 different things. Guys, I hope this has been helpful and I'll talk to you later in class. Thank you. Bye.